Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make a ring holder for your rings. The supplies you'll need are paper, scissors, a Starbucks plastic container lid just like this one, a hot glue gun, some colorful markers, and optional seashells. Let's get started. First, you'll roll the paper in a diagonal like this. Once you reach the end, apply a little dab of hot glue on the corner, and then you fold it. If you're using a hot glue gun, always have an adult to help you with that because you can really burn yourself. And if you're not careful, you could really hurt yourself. Once you got the shape of a unicorn's horn, cut off the ends. Please be very careful with the scissors. Always have an adult to help you with them because you could really cut yourself. We don't want our little ones to get hurt with craft supplies. They need an adult to help them. Okay. Now it's time to draw on the unicorn's horn with some colorful markers or Sharpies. On another piece of paper, use a black marker to draw out the unicorn ears. If you're a unicorn lover like me, then this step is perfect for you. You draw an ear like this. And then you do the same thing for the other one. Just like when you would draw leaves. Once that's done, use a pink marker to draw the inner ears. And then you do the same thing on the other one. Once you got the ears drawn, cut them out. Again, be very careful with the scissors because you could really cut yourself. And that's why you need an adult to help you. Just like that. And then you do the same thing on the other ear. Cut slowly. Just like that. If there's excess on the bottom, cut it out. Okay. So I made the ears a little bit too big. So to fix it, I cut off some of the extra paper. Just like that. Take some paper and cut thin rectangles and color it black. On another piece, cut out semicircles. Only 2 semicircles. And then you take the ears, you pinch them in the middle of the bottom part and hot glue them closed. Like I said before, be very careful with a hot glue gun. Just like that. And then you do the same thing on the other ear. Once you're done with the ears, set them aside. As you can see, I cut out 2 thin semicircles for the unicorn's eyes and lashes. And now you cut this rectangle into a thin line. Okay. Okay, those should be thin for the eyelashes. And then you evenly cut them out. You know, like the same length. I'd say I would do maybe like 3 lashes on each eye. Those lashes should be like this. And then you hot glue them. You know, like a small drop of hot glue. not too much. Just like that. And then you repeat this step with the rest of your lashes. As I said before, please be careful with the hot glue gun. And then you hot glue the horn on the top of the lid, because that's where the unicorn horn goes. And center it just like that. And then you take the ears and hot glue them on the cup. And then you do the same thing with the other ear. It should look like this. Once you got the lashes glued on, this part is optional, but you don't have to do it if you don't want to. Take some colorful seashells and hot glue them right next to the horn. You can put them anywhere you like. Just like that. Again, you don't have to put seashells on your unicorn if you don't want to. Okay, here is the final product. It makes you a great gift for a unicorn lover, or you're just a girly girl like me. I hope y'all liked this tutorial. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I hope everyone has a good day.